Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best track saws that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Festool TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS track saw. This is the Festool TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS plunge cut track saw, a precision cutting tool designed for ultra-clean, accurate wood cutting with professional grade control. Priced around $669, it sits in the premium category. It's expensive, but you're paying for high precision, durability, and workshop-level cutting performance. Comes with a 55-inch, 1,400mm guide rail for straight, splinter-free cuts. Plunge cut design allows starting cuts in the middle of material. Powerful motor with smooth, controlled cutting performance. Compatible with Festool dust extraction system for near dust-free operation. Micro-adjust depth control for extremely accurate cuts. High-speed steel blade designed for clean wood cutting. Built for professional woodworking, cabinetry, and construction use. Excellent edge quality, often eliminating the need for sanding. Pros: extremely precise and smooth cutting. Premium build quality and durability. Excellent dust control when paired with extractor. Perfect for professional woodworking. Cons: very high price for casual users. Requires investment in Festool ecosystem for best use. Not ideal for beginners or light DIY users. Number 4. Volution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit. This is the Evolution or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit, a versatile cutting tool designed to cut wood, plastic, and even metal with precision using a guided track system. Priced around $180, it's a budget-friendly option compared to premium track saw systems. It delivers strong versatility and solid performance for DIY users and small workshops. Includes 40-inch guide track for straighter, more accurate cuts. Multi-material cutting capability, wood, plastic, mild steel, aluminum, and more. Equipped with a TCT, tungsten carbide tipped, blade for durability and cleaner cuts. 7 1/4 inch circular saw design with strong cutting depth. Corded electric power for consistent performance without battery limits. Adjustable bevel cutting for angled cuts. Built-in track compatibility for improved precision over freehand circular saws. Great for construction, metalwork, and home renovation projects. Pros: excellent value for a multi-material track saw. Cuts metal and wood with one tool. Includes track and blade in the box. Strong cutting power for its price. Cons: not as precise as premium systems like Festool. Heavier and less refined glide on the track. Louder and rougher cutting experience. Build quality is more budget-focused. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. This is the Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit, a professional-grade track saw designed for ultra-precise, splinter-free straight and bevel cuts in wood. Priced around $668.71, it's a premium tool. You're paying for high precision, smooth cutting performance, and Makita's reliable build quality for professional use. Includes 55-inch guide rail for accurate, straight cutting. Powerful corded motor for consistent cutting performance. Plunge cut capability allows starting cuts anywhere on the material. Adjustable variable speed control for different materials and finishes. Excellent bevel range for angled cuts in cabinetry and flooring work. Anti-splinter guard system for clean edge finishing. Smooth, precise track system with minimal vibration. Comes with stackable storage case for portability and protection. Ideal for woodworking, furniture making, and professional carpentry. Pros: very precise and smooth cutting performance. High build quality and long-term durability. Excellent track stability and control. Great value compared to some higher-priced competitors. Cons: still expensive for casual or beginner users. Dust collection depends on external vacuum system. No cordless option in this kit. Number 2. Makita XPS01 PTJ18VX2LXT Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. This is the Makita XPS01 PTJ Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit, a high-performance 36V brushless track saw designed for professional, precision wood cutting without being tied to a cord. Priced around $779.35, it's a premium cordless system. You're paying for mobility, brushless efficiency, and Makita's professional-grade cutting accuracy. Powered by 18VX2LXT system, 36V total, for strong cutting power. Brushless motor for longer runtime, efficiency, and durability. Cordless freedom, no power cable limitations on job sites. Compatible with guide rail system, 39-inch rail sold separately. Smooth plunge cut action for starting cuts anywhere on material. Adjustable speed control for different wood types and finishes. Electronic controls help maintain consistent cutting performance. Lightweight design compared to corded track saw setups. Ideal for construction sites, furniture work, and mobile carpentry. Pros: full cordless freedom with strong cutting power. Professional level precision and smooth operation. Brushless motor improves efficiency and lifespan. Great for job site mobility and outdoor work. Cons: very expensive compared to corded alternatives. Guide rail sold separately increases total cost. Battery dependency, extra batteries needed for long jobs. Number 1. Bosch GKT13-225L 6.5 inches. Precision Track Saw. This is the Bosch GKT13-225L Precision Track Saw, a professional plunge cut saw designed for ultra-clean, accurate straight cuts in wood with maximum control. Priced around $719, it sits in the premium category. It delivers pro-level precision, durability, and smooth cutting performance for serious woodworking and construction use. 6.5-inch carbide blade for clean, durable cutting performance. Precision plunge cut mechanism for starting cuts anywhere on material. Compatible with guide rail system for straight, splinter-free cuts. Powerful corded electric motor for consistent performance under load. Excellent edge quality reduces need for sanding or finishing. Smooth depth and bevel adjustment for versatile cutting angles. Built-in safety and control features for professional use. Comes with a carrying case for portability and protection. Ideal for cabinetry, flooring, and fine woodworking projects. Pros: very accurate and smooth cutting performance. Strong Bosch build quality and reliability. Excellent plunge control and stability. Great for professional workshop use. Cons: expensive for casual DIY users. Requires guide rail setup for best performance. Dust extraction not fully integrated without accessories. If you want professional level precision in your workshop, the Bosch GKT13-225L is worth a serious look. Check the link in the description for current deals and full specs. Like the video if this helped, and subscribe for more tool reviews like this.